Hello, everybody. Thank you so much for joining me today for the November 2025 Perfectly Pieced unboxing. And I'm so excited to show you what our block is this month because winter is here and we have the cutest, the coziest mitten block for you. So this is our block, the mitten block. And remember that it comes in 4 different sizes. This is the 8-inch block. We also have our little bitty 2-inch block. We have a 4-inch block and our 6-inch block. And they all are just perfect for your winter projects. All right, let's go ahead and show you what the quilting is for this month. The block by block quilting. So as you make your block, this is what will be quilted when you just quilt your block. And here you can see that we have a fun little snowflake design with these cute little hearts that are perfect for the mitten look, and then a little squiggly line along the outside of your block. For our all over quilting pattern, we have this swirling snowflake pattern. What we've done is taken the block by block snowflake and then added a couple different sizes and just have them meandering through your project. So these are really cute for that. Our border quilting is so cute and fun, and it combines the snowflake and the mitten block into, this is the 2-inch border, and we've got our double mittens here with the snowflake and our 1-inch border that with the snowflakes and just one little block through. Now I want you to think about all of the winter projects that you have and where you could use this quilting in other places besides our mitten block projects. The possibilities are endless. So you have all of these quilting files to stitch out and quilt some of your other winter projects. So I'm really excited for that. All right, let's show you what is in our box this month. In your box, you will always get so many great goodies. And this is delivered to your door. You get your instructions of how to make a single block. They're color pictures, step-by-step instructions. It makes it so quick and so easy. This month, you also get this perfect thread for all the fabrics that come in your box. You get your collectible pin. Look at how cute that mitten is. You get to add this to all of the other perfectly pieced pins that you have collected throughout the months and years. And then you get this 4.5 by 4.5 inch wooden hoop for our special project this month. And don't forget, you always get the best fabric bundle in your box. This month, you get all of these fun, Christmassy, vibrant fabrics that are going to be perfect for your mitten block. So let's take a look at these. All right, your first one is this beautiful one from Dear Stella. It has some berries and holly leaves and different pine branches on there. We have this red that just pops and is perfect for Christmas. It's these kind of wavy line grids from Poppy Cotton. We have this kind of pink and red fabric here that kind of has this fun designs in the squares and kind of makes a fun gingham pattern for you. We also have, for the background of the mitten, we have this creamy Wyndham fabric with these fun sparkling snowflakes. We gotta have this teal blue for a mitten. And I love this one because you have these really cute flowery pattern that's kind of in a grid shape as well. And then this one is, this I was so excited when I saw this one from Benartex. It feels like this woven sweater fabric, even though it's made of cotton, and it's perfect for one of the mittens. And then to kind of just enhance and make our mitten blocks pop, we have added this green knit fabric for the bottom part of the mitten. And so you get this fun little texture. You can't see it on screen, of course, but when you get it in your box, you'll see it's this knit fabric, and it just kind of makes it feel really cozy and warm for your mittens. Okay, so that's what you get in your box this month. Let's look and see what projects you're going to make. So we have our 4-inch project here. You can see how fun it is with all the blues, the greens, the pink and reds, all those fun little mittens that you can make. And then we have our holly berry fabric right here as the border, and our red grid fabric that just kind of pops for the binding. So that's our 4-inch project. For the 6-inch project, we decided that how fun would it be to do either a wall hanging or like a table runner made of mittens. And so isn't this perfect for winter time? Have some hot cocoa and donuts, or sit around and tell lots of fun winter stories as you put this on your table. But look at all of those fun mittens and beautiful border. Then we, of course, have our 8-inch project, and we've just taken 4 of our 8-inch blocks and put them with a sashing in the middle. So that's fun. But let's take a look at our special project this month. Now, remember I said you're going to get a little bamboo hoop. So we've taken the 4-inch block and done the quilting and put it inside this hoop to make a cute little ornament. You can get your favorite ribbon to hang here. Look, can you just imagine your tree being filled up with these cute mitten ornaments? And then we've included instructions of how to put a backing on it so that you don't see any of the stitching. And it's so fun, so cute. It's going to just really make your tree pop this year as you add that little ornament to your tree. Or you can make this and give it as a gift, or add it to a beautiful present that you have all wrapped up for a little mitten tag. So those are your projects this month. All right, we want to talk about our giveaway that we're doing today. And of course, you're going to get a fabric bundle and these duck-billed scissors, as well as this really cute sewing machine that's a needle minder. So those 3 things are the giveaway this month. To enter, what I would love for you to do is in the comments, let me know what your favorite winter activity is, and we will announce the winner on Friday. So thank you for joining me today. I hope you go enjoy some well-deserved me time.